Alright, here's some more of the images that we have from the board, and I'm going to highlight some things over here, and we'll have some closer up images later on. But we have a PC, we have that storage, the hard drive where we stored things, we've got DVD, storage, and we talked about a USB port for a flash drive. So we have that whole group of storage. We're going to use the term storage and compare that to memory inside the computer. RAM, we cover that more specifically later on, and that communicates to the processor, sometimes called the central processing unit, and that's the processor. All communicates with the bus, then we can go out through the network like we described before. Here we have access in from another location. We have some closer pictures of that, and here's the other part of the college. We talked about ISPs. Here we have an example of Dropbox. Here we have an example of Google again. You can put information here and then get it from any device as long as you connect it to the internet. Now here's a close-up of what we just talked about on the other page. Here we have your memory right in here. So your software and your data be out here in storage. That would come up and it would actually go into memory. In fact, let me show that another color, the blue, and then that starts to fill up your memory. You have your software programs and the data you're working on. So you load a word processor and you're typing in the word processing document. So you have the actual data, and then you have the program that works with the data. Talk more about that later. And you can have it stored on a hard drive, a DVD, or out on a USB flash drive. And they all communicate with the electronic bus. Right here, the bus. Media access control through a network interface card allows you to communicate out. So we're primarily talking about hardware. Software would be the programs in there. Alright. And then this is a repeat of the same diagram. For a few more details, I use a little different color here. This could be like at your house. You have that routing device at your house, possibly connected to your, in my example here, a cable modem that's connected into the ISP. This ISP would be MediaCom, cable modem. Got the internet, connections out to, let's say, Google or Dropbox. A couple examples we used in class. The ICN is where NIACC connects in. This is the main part of campus. We have a firewall here, and that connects to the multi-layered switch, which connects different buildings and so forth. And this is the same example of the page before. So that is it for this one.